How to reset Domino's Pizza password. If you forgot the password for your Domino's Pizza account, it's actually quite simple to reset it. First, you launch the Domino's Pizza application. Once you've done that, just wait the app to load first of all. And then what you have to do is, you have to go to the sign in button. So let's just wait until the app has loaded up properly right here. Then over here you can go to sign in. If you had remembered your email and password, you would be able to enter them. But if you haven't, you have to go to this option called reset password and just tap on it. Now, enter the email address under which your Domino's account was registered with. Once done, tap on the request password change button. Then it is actually going to send a reset link, which you can follow the instructions on your email. So you have to go ahead and then simply launch your mailbox. Just refresh and check if you have received any sort of email from Domino's Pizza. Once you refresh and find that link, it will take you to the new page where you can choose a new password without having to remember your old password. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.